Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about menstruation. Exercise 11.2, question number 7. What is the question number 7? Let's see. This is question number 7. This is given. The floor of buildings consists 3000 tiles. How many tiles? 3000 tiles, which are rhombus shape, and each of its diagonals 45 and 30 centimeters. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is 4 rupees. Rate of polishing per meter square is 4 rupees. Number of tiles is 3000. Dimension of tiles, diagonal of tiles is 45 centimeters and 30 centimeters. The shape of type is in shape of rhombus. Shape of tiles is in the shape of a rhombus. Here this is given diagonals of rhombus. So first we find the area of one tiles, because the tiles is the shape of rhombus. Okay, and so we find, and the area of one tiles is 1 by 2 d1 into d2. Clear? D1 is diagonals 45 and D2 is 30 centimeters. Okay, so let's see how to solve it. Here given diagonals, we take diagonals D1 is equal to 45 centimeter and D2, this is also diagonals, this is a 30 centimeter. Okay, so first we find area of one tiles. Tiles is the shape of rhombus and this is the diagonals of rhombus. So first we find area of one tiles. Area of one tile is equal to 1 by 2 d1 into d2. Okay, because in question told us that the tiles is in the shape of rhombus and this is, and the 45 and the 30 centimeter is the diagonals of rhombus. So we take d1 is 45 centimeters and d2 is a 30 centimeters. Clear? So you put here the value of d1, 1 by 2 d1 is 45 centimeter into d2 is 30 centimeter. Okay, if you cancel it by 2 we obtain here 15. So in this way we obtain here 45 centimeter into 15 centimeters. Clear? And multiply is 15 5 is 75, 75 carry 7 and 15 4 is 60 plus 7 67. So you can see here this is a area of one tile. So how many tiles is here? So number of tiles. So you find the area of 3000 tiles. Okay, here given number of tiles is 3000. Okay, here given number of tiles required for floor is equal to 3000. Okay, this is clear. So okay. So we find the area of 3000 tiles. Area of 3000 tiles is equal to 3000 into 675 centimeters square. Clear? If we multiply it, we find centimeters. Okay, student, you know 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? So 1 meter square is equal to how many centimeter square? 10,000. Clear? You can see. Okay, 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. If we divide this by 10,000, then it's become meter square. Okay, so you can write it by 10,000, it's become meter square. Okay, so here you can see this is a 202.5 meter square. This is clear. So area of floor is 202.5 meter square. And now, so what is the area of floor? Area of floor is equal to 202.5 meter square. Okay. So what is the rate of flooring polishing tiles? A rate of polishing of floor per meter square is equal to rupees 4. This is the given rate of polishing floor per meter square is equal to rupees 4. The cost of polishing of the floor is equal to cost of polishing of the floor is equal to what is the area of floor? Area of floor is equal to 202.5 meter. 202.5 meters. And what is the rate? Rate is the 4 rupees per meter square. So here multiply by 4. Clear? So what is the multiplication? Tell me. What is the multiplication? So here you can see for 5 ja 20, 0.4 2 ja 8, 8 to 10, and 4 2 ja 8 rupees, 810 rupees. Here you can see is 810 rupees. At last you can write hence, and the total cost of polishing of the floor is rupees 810. Clear? In this question, you can see again. Here the number of tiles is given 3000, and the tiles is in the shape of rhombus, and whose diagonal is given 45 centimeters and 30 centimeters, and the cost of polishing is given per meter square is 4 rupees. So first we find the area of one tiles. So we find area of one tiles is 675 centimeter square. Now we have 3000 tiles. So first after this we find the area of 3000 tiles. This is equal to 202.50 meter square. This is a area of floors. Okay, and the rate of floor are given. Rate of floor is given here. What is the rate of floor? This is given rupees 4, and this is the area of floor. Okay, so we find the cost of pulsing of the floor. Okay, this is area of floor. So we multiply for this area of floor by rate of pulsing per meter. In this way we find 810 rupees. This is a rate of pulsing. So student, I hope all have understood. Now next question. What is the next question? Question number 8. This is a question number 8. This is given. Mohan want to buy a trapezium shaped field. Each side along the river is parallel to and twice the side of along the road. The area of field is 10,500 meter square. 10,005 meter square. This is given, and the perpendicular distance between two parallel side is 100. This is a h. Okay. Find the length of the along. Find the length of the side along the river. Okay. So let's see how to solve it. So here this is given, and the distance between them is 100 meter. This is 100 meter. This is a road side, and this is a river side. Okay. So we let river side, uh, road side is x. We let road side is x, and the river side is 2x. This is 2x. Okay. and a road and a rivers are parallel to each other. Okay, so use here this figure is made, and this shape is trapezium. Okay, here mention this is trapezium shaped. Okay, so now let's solve this question. How to solve this? Okay, so we let here that the road side is x and the river side is 2x, and distance between them is 100. Okay, so we know that the area of trapezium shape field is area of trapezium shaped field is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel side into distance between them. Into height, perpendicular height. Okay, this is clear. Sum of area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Yeah, perpendicular distance between them. See, here parallel side is x, 2x, distance between them is 100. Okay, so what is the area of trapezium? Area is given. Area of trapezium is given. This is a 10,500 meter square. Okay, so we put here 10,500. This is the area of trapezium. So 1 by 2 into sum of parallel side. Here side is x. This is 2x according to the questions. So x plus 2x, and distance between them is 100. This is given. So it become 100. Okay. So if you cancel by this, we obtain here 50. Okay. Now 10,500 is equal to x plus 2x. This becomes 3x into 50. Clear? Or you can write it with 50 transfer to left hand side. This is divide here. So 3x is equal to 10,500 by 50. 1010 cancel. We obtain 210. This is clear? Now okay, so you can write here 3x is x is equal to 210 by 3. So you find here x is equal to 70. Okay, and what is you find here? So here you find the value of x is 70. So x is, this is road side, but the side of river is 2x. So it is become 2x means 2 into 70. It means that 140 meters. Okay. At last we can write Hence, the side along the river is equal to, you can erase here, at last you write, hence, hence the side along the river is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 70 is equal to 140 meters. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood this. You can see again this question here given. Here given the shape, trapezium shaped field and river parallel to the twice, two times. Okay, area of the field is 10,500 and the distance between them is this. Okay, so in this way, in this given information, we find the side along the river is 140 meters. Okay, uh, now let's see next question. What is the next question? This is the next question, and here given top surface of rigid platform in the shape of regular octagon. We shape a regular octagon. Okay, so in the figure, find the area of octagonal surface. Okay, so you can see this is the regular octagon surface. It means that all sides are equal. This side, this side, this side, this side, this side, and this side, all are equals. Okay, so if and distance between them is, this is 11 meter, this is 4 meter, and this is a 5 meter, because all sides are equals. Okay, so this area becomes trapezium, and if you join this line, okay, so this area is rectangles and this area is trapeziums. Okay, so in this area we find the area by using trapezium formula, 1 by 2 distance between them and sum into sum of parallel side, and this area is rectangle. Okay, so let's see how to find it. So first we find this area. Okay, we divide, this is the first area. Okay, now let's multiply this, we join this is also 11, this is 5. Okay, it's become rectangles. This is second area, this area is L into B, यानी कि 11 into 5 45 55, and this is a 1 by 2 4 11 plus 5 into 4. This is also 11, this is a 5, okay, and this is a 4, this is a 4. So this is becomes trapezium. We find area of this part 1 by 2 sum of parallel side into distance between them. Okay, so let's see how to solve it. So you can see this is the first part, this is a part of trapezium, this is also part of shape of trapezium. So you find sum of parallel side 11 and 5 is the parallel and 4 the distance between them. Here also 1 by 2 sum of parallel side into distance between them. Yeah, you can say perpendicular distance. And this is a rectangular shape, length into breadth. Okay, so if you find this, it's become 2, and here 16 into 2 plus 11 plus 5 55, plus it also becomes 2, so 16 into 2, this becomes 32 plus 55 plus 32. Okay, sum it and you obtain 119 meter square. Now the next question, question number 10. What is question number 10? This is question number 10. You can see here, question number 10 is, there is a pentagonal shaped park shown in the figure. Find its area. Jyoti and Kavita divide into two different way. Okay, this is a Jyoti shape, this is a Kavita. Okay, so you can see here what this is given. So if Kavita Jyoti diagram is this, so this is a divide into two part. This part is made as a trapezium. Okay, and this is 15, this is 15. Okay, and this is also 15, 15. This is square and triangles. Let's see how to solve it. This is Jyoti diagrams and this is Kavita diagrams. And whole height is given 30 centimeter. And here also whole height are 30 centimeters, but this is a 15 centimeters. It means that this is also 15 centimeters. Okay, so we draw a perpendicular distance from A to BE. Okay, this is clear. So first we find the area of this diagram, area of Jyoti diagrams. So you can see here, this is two shapes. You can see this is a first shape like a trapezium. This is also trapezium. Okay, and this BC and AP are parallel, and here AD and AP are parallel. So this is a shape of trapezium. So first you find area of Jyoti diagrams by the help of trapezium formula. Okay, so but here parallel side are given 15 and 30, but we don't know what is the its distance between them. So let's see how to solve it. This is the first part. and this is second part. So we find the area of first part and the area of second part. So area of Jyoti diagram is equal to area of ABCD. ABCD. This is equal to area of trapezium ABCP ABCP plus area of trapezium AEDP AEDP. Okay. So we find here this is distance between them. CP and DP is the distance between them. So 1 by 2 sum of parallel side is 15 and 30 is parallel side. So 15 plus 30 into CP plus in this area 1 by 2 into what is parallel side 15 and the 30 is parallel side. So it's become 15 plus 30 into distance between them is PD. So right here PD. Okay, you can see 1 by 2 these are common, so we check common. 1 by 2 into 15 plus 30 is common between them into we can write here CP plus PD. Okay, this is clear. So it's become 30 plus 15 is 45. 1 by 2 into 45 into CP plus PD, it's become CD. CD. This is equal to 1 by 2 into 45 into CD is given 15. This is equal to 337.5 meter square. Okay, and the students, for this diagrams, this is square. So what is the area of square? Side into side. Side is given here 15 into 15. This becomes 225. Okay, 225 square of area. And what is this? This is a triangles. This is a height. This is a base. What is the area of triangles? 1 by 2 base into height. Okay, so here area of square you find that this is a 225 and area of this triangle is 1 by 2 15 into 15 because base is 15 and the height is also 15, so it means that 225 by 2 and if you sum both then you obtain 337.5 meter squares. In both way you find the area and you obtain that Jyoti's area and Kipta's area diagrams are same. Clear? So student, I hope all have understood. And thank you for watching. Jai Hind.